If you're tired of spending an hour in the kitchen, this easy keto stir fry might become your new favorite meal prep recipe. No chopping, minimal prep, and it's packed with flavor. Just a quick dinner that's perfect for busy weeknights. And today I'm actually making this as part of my meal prep. It reheats really well and it's perfect for lunches or quick dinners throughout the week. For this recipe, I'm using half a bag of frozen chopped bell peppers and onions, 1 pound of shabu-shabu beef, and 1 package of rinsed and drained Palmini hearts of palm linguine. I started by adding a little beef tallow in a large electric skillet. Then I added the frozen peppers and onions and cooked them until they softened and started picking up a little bit of color. Next, I added the shabu-shabu beef. Now this beef cooks incredibly fast, which makes it perfect for a quick meal like this. As I was cooking the beef, I added a couple tablespoons of fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar-free Thai chili sauce. I gave everything a good stir and let it cook for a few minutes so that all those flavors could come together. Next, I added the rinsed and drained Palmini Linguine and tossed everything together. If you're looking for a more carnivore-ish version, you can always skip the Palmini and slice up a few egg life wraps into noodle strips instead. They work surprisingly well in stir fries like this. At this point, I gave it a quick taste. If you like a little more flavor or a little more sauce, now's the time to adjust it. Once I was happy with the flavor, I added about a tablespoon of Hughes sugar-free Japanese barbecue sauce and gave everything one final toss. To serve it up, I sprinkle with sesame seeds on top for a little extra flavor and crunch. This turned out so good. You get the savory flavor from the beef and sweetness and heat from the Thai chili sauce, and all these takeout-inspired flavors without all the carbs. The best part is that everything came together with almost no prep work. I used the frozen vegetables, frozen beef, and a few simple sauces, and that made a pretty amazing dinner. And because it heats so well, it's a great meal prep option. Make it once and enjoy it for several meals throughout the week. If you'd like to try any of the ingredients or kitchen tools I used today, check the description below and I have everything linked for you there. If you're looking for a quick keto meal that does not require a lot of prep work, this is definitely worth trying. Let me know in the comments, are you team Palmini, team egg life noodles, or would you just skip the noodles altogether? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss future recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.